Who was born first, God or the earth?
It's obvious. It could be. For Christianity, they would say, of course, God created the whole earth. Then God created world, obviously, if you're in Christian class. But if you say earth is created first, I guess you're correct. Because many years ago, there were formed a tiny little star called a white dwarf, which is our father's sun. Sun. S-U-N, not S-O-N. S-U-N. Sun. So,
Sun, not the sun.
okay. So, how was that created, you may ask? Tiny rocks and dust, and then it formed like the heat because it's in the hot area, of course, of the solar system. And the sun is obviously the biggest planet in our solar system, not in the universe, by the way. No. There are many other things that's bigger than the sun. And
How about black?
And you may be asking, how are planets created?
The sun.
Okay. You should. Sun are not created. The sun did not create planets. Planets create themselves because of nature. You know nature? Yeah, nature. So it's rocks and dust, tiny more rocks, big rocks form together, creates planets. So here comes Mercury, comes Venus or Penis, and next is Earth. So, luckily for us, Earth is in the safe zone, which is apparently called what zone? I really don't know that much, so you can search up on Google about the Earth. And you may be asking, how could Earth get these greens? How could they get the blues of it? Well, that's a nice question because the first water came in, alright? Water came in, it already had microorganisms and other tiny living things, but you barely can't even see it, even with a microscope. So, meteoroids came in, asteroids came in, with ice in it, because, well, the way the sun is here, alright? This is the hot side, this is the heat zone, this is the cold area, and Pluto is the last, so Pluto is probably super cold, and other planets behind Earth is very cold, so the asteroids from that zone contains ice in it, which is actually pretty lucky, because since Earth is in the safe zone, that zone is pretty warm. Not hot, not cold, warm. It's like if hot and cold had a baby, it's warm. So, asteroids came in. The ice melted. And the asteroids created oceans, from what I think, alright. It created oceans, and the more asteroids came in, the more water there is, because, as I said, on the asteroids had ice on it, and the ice melts, create water. Hashtag science, my dude. And now you may be asking, how about the greens? How about the plants? How about the trees? How about the mountains? Okay, maybe not. Let's just not talk about the mountains. The greens are microorganisms that grow into plants. Right now, our microorganisms are all over the air, but you barely can see it. I'm touching them right now, those microorganisms. But those microorganisms, many billion years, 6 billion years ago, are different from now. These organisms. Those organisms form into plants, I think, and then the water fed it because, of course, every single living thing needs H2O, which is water. And then plants form in, more organisms, microorganisms came in. Dinosaurs came in. Now we got the dinos, we got the T-Rex, we got dinosaurs. Okay, that's not even a dinosaur, but okay, dinosaurs came in. Many billion years, 6 billion years passed. More microorganisms, but then an asteroid came to Earth. And then dinosaurs went extinct. Obviously, because the asteroid is absolutely huge. And all of them died. And then many more years came by. Apes came in. From apes, they came to humans. From humans came to advance, which is right now. Which is, we can make planes. Isn't this awesome? Okay. It's probably not awesome, but it's advanced humans. Those days they used like what? Banana leaves as their plates. Hashtag smart. And yeah, that's how it's Earth created. And that's all I could say. That's all I learned. Yeah. So the first animal in the world, you may say, it's dinos. You may say the first animals in the world is dinos. No, it's not dinos. Maybe it is Maybe it's not dinos because of the microorganisms. There are many other microorganisms. So I'd say, if you said it's a living thing, I'd say it's those organisms. Science cannot exactly tell what came in first. But if you're saying what did humans came from? Many people will say, God created it, so it should be God created you. Yeah. No, hell no. Hell no. No, you're absolutely. Which animal came first? And I already answered that. Okay, so humans, you may be asking. Some Christians will say God created humans too. I mean, dude, everything is just up to God. What is wrong? Dude, okay, now let's just get serious here. Humans came from apes, alright? Some may say monkeys. Hell no. My sisters say gorillas. Humans came from gorillas, my dude. Not from apes, not from monkeys, but from freaking gorillas. No, it came from apes. So, from generation to generation, humans become smarter. Everybody knows this, from apes to human. I don't really need to explain much. But before apes were here, microorganisms. Okay. Now, from apes coming to advanced apes. They're smart. From advanced apes to coming to stupid humans. Alright? They use banana leaves as their plates. They eat bitter cucumber those days. Many billion years ago, they had cucumbers, but not like this. It's like super bitter. Alright. So, right now, we have advanced, super idiot, smart humans. Because many people are idiots here. Super idiot smarties is probably me. Because I'm idiot. I don't consider myself smart. But, okay. I'm super idiot smarty. And right now, I don't even know how they make smartphones. Because I'm stupid. See? Super idiot smart. And that's all I got for today. Next question, please, so that I can answer. You may be asking, how our country is made. It would be, you would say, it's formed into an island first and break down, or it was already islands and already formed into countries. Hell no, that's incorrect, my dude. Have you ever learned geography before? So, first, before countries were created, it's a huge, big patch of green on the earth. And then many years passed by, the islands came just spread out all over the place. And then some islands went to the north, some islands went to the south, to the east, to the west. You know, those kind of stuff. When the countries break down, humans became smarter, create their own kingdoms, their own whatever, if they have president or prime minister. And yeah, because some don't have kingdoms, some don't have prime ministers, some don't have a president. So yeah, and then they created kingdoms and other things, just like Thailand, because Thailand's a kingdom. And right now, there's this one place on earth that science cannot still answer, because there's many weird places on earth that science cannot still answer. Or maybe gravity just don't work at it. Some countries, you will see huge waterfalls, but the water goes up instead of going down. Hashtag gravity, my dude. You can search up floating waterfalls, because it actually, the water goes up. If you pour water, it won't just go down, splats on the ground like you pee. It would go up like it's about to die and go to heaven. That is really weird. Science still cannot answer, or maybe it already answered and I'm too stupid. It's probably that gravity is not enough there. Gravity doesn't work there. Gravity is broken. And humans apparently jump normally there. They don't jump higher or they just fly everywhere. They jump normally at that place. But water is weird. You pour water, it won't just fall like this. It goes the opposite direction. It's like if I pour like this, the water would just go up in that place. That is actually super weird. I want to go there and then pour 10 bottles of water just for fun. And yeah. Any more questions?
What happens if you try and take a shower and then the water goes up instead of going on your body?
Water will just fall on your face. Okay, I'm getting tired of fun. Okay. Now, the conclusion. The things that I say, all the things, it may be true. Okay, some people may say it's true. Some people will be offended and say, "Hey, it's not true. God created Earth." I will not get offended. All right, I'll not be offensive. But that's all I got for today. And yeah, peace out. I'm leaving. Where's my assistant, huh?